Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very exciting video. I've been putting this off forever. This is going to be an updated beauty room tour. I think I actually might throw in kind of like a my makeup collection in there too. It's not going to be that intense and that thorough for the makeup portion of it, just because we don't have all day. Well, we do because we're at home in quarantine, but my battery life doesn't have all day, okay? But if you guys are interested in seeing my new updated beauty room, then let's get started. Also, if you guys at any point see my lower half of the body, yes, I am in sweatpants and slippers because let's be real, that's all you see in YouTube is this up, so this is the door that you come into, and then we'll just pan to the first corner of the room where we have some shelves where we will zoom in a little bit closer, but we just have this mirror. I actually don't know where this mirror is from. I think this is actually from Connor's parents. Then we have this fake plant from HomeSense. This little pumpkin with pearl detailing is also from HomeSense. And then we have just my purse. This is a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. It was my present to myself for my 26th birthday, but currently in this state of being clean as possible, I am not bringing that out into the world. So these are the shelving units that I have. I believe they're from actually Walmart. These were a housewarming gift from one of my good friends. So in this first box is just a vintage perfume bottle. In the back is a Chanel little box, and then a ring box. And then this one also has a vintage perfume bottle, a pair of sunglasses, a Tiffany box, a vintage perfume bottle from Chanel, and just like this really old nail polish. Actually, that was my grandma's. And then this bottom box, we have some lipsticks. This little acrylic lipstick holder is from Amazon, and then just a Louis Vuitton box from my sunglasses. But I love keeping all the kind of boxes from my designer pieces just because they're so pretty and like kind of aesthetic. Then this is my makeup vanity setup. So starting from the bottom, so these are Alex 6 drawers, classic, everybody has them, and then just the IKEA countertop. This is another IKEA piece. I believe this piece is like $50, and it was really nice just to add more storage. And then this vanity mirror. I actually was looking into Impressions Vanity, but they were so expensive. So this one is actually from Amazon. And then in this little section, I do have some makeup brushes. So this one is just random eyeshadow brushes, and then this one are all blending brushes. So I have them all separate because these are the ones I use the most. I have this fan. This is from Amazon. It's honestly the best for, you know, if you're setting your face with a setting spray and then you want to quickly set it down quick instead of waiting for it to dry itself. Then we have this Google Home. I honestly use it mostly for just watching YouTube, Disney Plus, anything kind of getting ready in the morning. In this first drawer, I have all my favorite products that I want to get some more use out of. I want to use my Hourglass a little bit more. This is my new blush from Patrick Ta, and it's just an easy reach when it's right here. And then right slap dab in the middle of my mirror is just some everyday products. I have some creams. So these are the creams I've been using every day. This is my morning cream and my evening cream. These lipsticks are kind of like every nude that I have, but I actually have it organized from my lightest nude to my darkest nude to reds to browns. And then in this little acrylic case, this is Amazon, this is Winners. I have some skincare stuff. So I have my eye serum, I have some Versali kind of skin prep, and then these are just like a shot glass full of just products I use every day, a toner, and then a hand sanitizer. So over here I have this Lazy Susan that I actually got from Winners. It's so beautiful. It's so heavy. And then I have just my brushes all organized. So this one is all highlighter and blush. And then next, these are all my powder brushes. Then I have all bronzer brushes. And then these ones are all foundation, concealer, anything that is like super dense that I would be blending out a foundation or a concealer or a cream contour with. And then on all these holders are honestly just all old candles. And then in this bin, I actually just have like tools and everyday things that I'm kind of reaching for. So I have honestly a candle lid. This is where I put my foundations. I honestly have glasses cleaner, clips, under eye patches, and then I have my handheld mirror that I do all my makeup with because I'm very blind and I need a close hand up mirror. This one is LED. So this cute furniture piece is actually from HomeSense. I actually broke it, so there's a big crack in the back. So I have some like dry shampoos, hairsprays, some heat protectant. Then I have a bunch of Cuvée products. They're really nice hair products that actually smell like champagne. And then I just have this little thing from HomeSense that says Boss Lady. Top drawer is still hair. So these are all my scrunchies. I make all my scrunchies myself because they're easy. And then the bottom drawers are junk and tech. In this corner, I have some shelving, but I have a hat, and then I have actually a pass from when I did makeup at the wedding fair. I have my little Freelancer stool, and then down there is honestly just like products and PR packages that I still need to go through and either get rid of, sell, or donate. I have perfumes, honestly just a little purse, a cute letter board, and just some like decor. So HomeSense, these are from Chinatown in Philadelphia. Those are little Buddhas. I love little Chinese details here and there. Then down below, I have my Freelancer kit, brushes, all that jazz. I honestly might do an updated video with like what's in my makeup kit eventually. Behind my door, I have this bookshelf. So up top, I just have there's like a Gucci bag of Louis Vuitton blocks. Those are just things I like to keep because I think they're really pretty. This hat is from Miss Lola. I thought it was super cute. I did a little photo shoot with it. One thing like you guys might not know about me is that I love vintage beauty. So I love, as you guys probably saw in the other portions of the video, I love perfume bottles. Like, just this is just so, they're so stunning, and just thinking that this is how women used to put on their perfume is just beautiful. So I love showcasing pieces like that, and like mirrors, and like really old vintagey hairbrushes. I love that. And then up here I have just a Gucci box. Another thing about me is that I'm very sentimental and I do love luxury things. That is the Taurus in me. I work hard for what I spend my money on, and that is just something that will never make sense in my brain, is that I will penny pinch a grocery bill, but I will go and spend my money on, I don't know, like luxurious things, but like things that I think are investments, like a house, a nice car, anything designer piece you can always make money on. I will always remember the sentimental part of when I bought something. Like, oh, it's just so exciting. Like this piece I purchased when I got my first position at the hospital that I work at. The hospital that I work at is so hard to get permanent positions because nobody ever leaves. So that says something about work culture there. Anyways, I always told myself that I was gonna buy myself something like designer or whatever when I landed my first permanent position. And so I waited 3.5 years to get this. 3.5? 3 years. 3 years to get that. And then in here, I just have this Louis Vuitton wallet. Most of my pieces have all been pre-loved. This is a Louis Vuitton District PM. This was actually my first luxury piece. This was a gift to myself for my 25th birthday. And obviously going the pre-loved route saves you a ton of money. So this is just a crossbody. I stuff it to hold its shape. And then this is all my black booties. If you are somebody who you're like, you know what, I want to invest into a good pair of black leather boots, do it and always go black, because you will get the most use out of a black boot. They're so classy, they're so universal because you can wear them in all seasons. Also, a pointed toe will always elevate a look. These are my newest black pair of boots, I guess. I have another pair that I'm gonna retire. So I'm like, you know what? I gotta get a new pair of everyday boots. So these are platform Doc Martens. So they have actually like a little warm insole, which I mean, so these are more so fall winter, but these are so cool. I feel like such a bad bitch in these, you know? And then down below, I just have my heels, and then taller boots. And if you ever want to have your boots hold up their shape a little bit better, go to the dollar store, get a pool noodle, and cut that bitch in like 4/4. So then it holds your boot up and they don't lose their shape. So I'm gonna go through my Alex drawers super quick. So in this drawer, these little casings are actually from the dollar store and they fit in the Alex drawer perfectly. So in here, I just have junk, hair ties, and tools to be applying like false lashes, eyebrow products, eyeliners, mascaras. Then in this drawer is all highlights and blushes. So in this is all highlighters. We got liquid highlights and liquid blushes, some palettes. Then I have my more peachy blushes, pinky blushes, nude blushes, berry, rosy blushes. And then these next few drawers are kind of like random, but they are, once again, all these little organizers are from the dollar store. And then I just have a bunch of random palettes in here. Lashes from Freelancing, more palettes. And then in here, I actually have hair tools and towels, so I can like wipe my grubby little makeup hands on a towel instead of my pants. Okay, please excuse that box of garbage. I was thinking about doing some like products that I finished up type of video. So in this one, same insert as before, dollar store. So actually this one is normally filled with sponges, but these are sponges that are clean. I have lip liners, everyday kind of lipstick nudes, junk, meh, Q-tips, and hand sanitizers. And then here I have all bronzers and powders. So here I have bronzers, cream bronzers, compact powders, and then I have loose powders. These powders are way too light for my face, so I'll use these for like highlighting, or maybe when I'm at like the fairest my skin tone will ever be. So this little insert is from IKEA on this side. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but they're all samples, like concealer foundation samples. In the back here, I have primers. This front is concealers. So this little section are concealers that fit my skin tone right now. And then these concealers are shades that they're too dark for me right now, so I can only wear those during the summer. This little section of foundations, this side are foundations that fit me right now, and these are foundations that are for my summer shade. So this bin is actually kind of random, but there are a lot of products that are actually brand new that I haven't touched yet. So I actually have like a bunch of little rounds that I put on my fingers. This was for freelancing. Some products that I've gotten from my BoxyCharm that I want to use eventually, but they're just in their packaging. So some sponges. I have a Hot Tools piece that I got in BoxyCharm that I will use eventually when my other piece burns out. I have these dermaplaner shavers. Eventually I will do a video on how I shave my face. Yes, you heard correct. Then just brand new products like mascaras, liners, whatever. So these are all packages that I've like received or BoxyCharms pretty much. And then a bunch of box lashes that I'm currently wearing. I have a bunch of like KB Cost lashes. I have a couple G-Class lashes. Then last but not least, I have contacts down here. I have my Cinema Secrets brush cleaner and then all setting sprays. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video actually. My makeup collection has definitely grown over the last couple years and since my last video. I think the last time I did a makeup collection video was back when I was still living at home with my mom. And I also loved showing you guys my designer pieces. That is something that I don't really show a lot. It's just something that I'm so interested in. Like, I love designer, I love fashion, but I think it was always like a sense of being judged for it. People who aren't into that stuff, I think, judge it hardcore, that they're like, why would you ever spend your money on that? I hold such a high sentimental value to every piece that I own. I love it. So please don't send any like hate comments in this video. I was already weary enough about showing the pieces that I have, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Throw some comments down below. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys subscribe. The big red button is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.